Well, I'm walking out of Hodges, going back across the street to our office. We're literally right next door, which is nice. Ordered torque tubes, not going to be here for a couple more days, which is fine. The alignment's not till the 27th. And then getting some prices on some oversized banners and whatnot. Now I'm walking inside to go talk to the secretary to knock out a bunch of stuff to get the Interstate Authority active. It's been quite a morning. Been on the computer since about 4:30. And my legs started to hurt, so I came over to the office here and was taking care of stuff. So hopefully we can get the Intrastate Authority going today. Well, I got called out to this job, loading the waste off. Just brought him 9 minus in class 7. Christian's over here helping. He's already muddy. So we're undercutting this. Right here is the entrance into the tire shop. So we're having to undercut and backfill it. It's been quite a long day. And this truck's a piece of crap, but it's working for now. You having fun?
Yeah, somewhat.
It's his daughter's birthday, so he wants to go home. It's locked. Oh, no, it's not. Ah, I didn't lock it. My bad. Whoops. I forget that every once in a while. Now it's locked. I'm hungry. I want some lunch. So I'm gonna eat while he's loading me. That's really loud. This is what we're placing. It's called the apron to the driveway. And then there's 2 water lines right here and right here. We had to top class 7. They're gonna cut it all the way back over to there. So then he's loading me up to go out to the dump site, and then I come back with rock. But I'm pretty sure we're about done for the day here. Everyone else is left. But it's a little bit of a project. We undercut this entire job 6 feet. Well, we didn't do it. The company we're working for did it. We just drove truck on it, and then they backfilled it. I was loading trucks a while ago with the Sani at the pit, and that's where the dirt was going to, was this job. So, not a bad little project. Take them 2 days on one side and 2 days on the north side, but we can only work tomorrow because it's going to be -1 on Friday, and I don't think we can be out here working, so we'll just see how that whole thing goes. Well, I brought my headlamp with me, so I'm going to looking for something in the storage unit, and I figure it's getting dark so early I should start wearing my headlamp. I bought it for fishing. I basically never use it, so I kind of figure why not. So I need getting into the storage unit here. Because I don't know what happened to my case of grease. I think somebody stole it. Yep. Someone took it. Looks like I'm calling Jared. This headlamp works pretty good. I like it. Oh crap. I don't know what happened to it. Well, I gotta call Jared, see where my case is at. See what he says. And if I have a feeling he ended up taking it. Let's see.
Hello?
Hey, did you take the case of grease out of my truck?
The case of grease?
Yeah.
The one you put in my toolbox?
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I forgot about that. I kind of figured I either gave it to you or you grabbed it, because I remember having a conversation with you.
I'll send the toolbox from
Okay. I'm sending Josh England with a grease gun. And he don't have any grease. He just has what's in it.
Josh England?
Yeah, and they're going back to Fort Smith.
Oh. Damn, are they already home?
No, he's in Clarksville.
Oh.
I'm at the yard.
Well, there's like 3 boxes of grease in my truck in Pottsville.
3 boxes?
Yeah, I got a fuckload.
Shit, I don't know if I want to drive all the way out to Pottsville. Where are you at?
Fort Smith.
Huh?
Fort Smith.
Oh yeah, you still have an hour and 45 minutes.
Hey, it'll be 7 o'clock before we get home.
Okay. Well, damn.
Ready?
Bam! Hi, Bam Bam! Bam Bam! Oh, hi, Bam Bam! Hey, come here.